Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add double column border in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to add the double column border. At first, select your data sheet. Now I am select the sheet. Click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu and select the borders drop down menu. Now we can see here many borders. Now we want to add the double column border only. Go to the more border option. Then go to the border section. We can see here many line style. Now I am select the double line. Then enable the vertical line. Select this vertical line, otherwise click this vertical option. Now we click OK, and we can see we added the double column border to this sheet easily. Now we want to make sure the border is added permanently. Go to the file menu, select the print option and check the print preview. We can see here added the border very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.